Cinnamon swirl. $1.85 lang dito. Mas mura dito. Bili ako ng isa. Ayan. Tapos, bili tayo ng tinapay na regular. Ito na lang. $1.45. $1.45. Pwede tayo isa. So, bibili tayo ng cookies para sa ating ice cream cake. Ooh. So, this is the cookies. I don't know which one. Oy! What else you got, guys? So I meet my daughters here. Ayan, I got flowers for my mama, for tatay and lola. And which one is for you, anak? Happy birthday. So which cookie you want, guys, for ice cream cake? I want to put some cookies in the ice cream. This is good cookies for ice cream. What about this? You like this one in ice cream?
Probably a little too much.
Too much? So which? Huh?
It's like regular chocolate chip cookies. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So this one is free. So $1.39. Hey. I get banana. Can you get the plastic bag for this banana? Ooh. So how much the banana per pound? Didn't see? Oh, 48 cents ang per pound. Perfect. So per pound ng broccoli is $2.19. $2.19? May kuha tayo ng isa. Kahit isa lang. Yan yung ating cucumber, $1.09 ang isa. Mas mahal siya, pero it's okay. It's alright. Spinach. Kuha tayo ng spinach para ano. Yan, spinach. Bali, $1.69 isa. Yung isang balot. Alright. $2.19 ang isa yung egg dito. So, kailangan namin ng egg. So, we need to check. So, $2.19 ang 1 dozen. Ayan. Wala kasi yung isang binili namin last time. Ayan, perfect. So, dalawa kunin natin.
Oh, careful!
We need avocado. Ooh, $1.09 isa. $1.09 isa yung avocado natin. Can you get 5, Jessica?
Huh?
You get 5 avocados?
Okay.
So, burger bun is 92 cents ang isa. So, burger bun ang ano natin? No, 89 cents pala ang burger bun. Yes, kuha tayo ng isa. Kahit isa lang. Yan, 89 cents ang burger bun. So, by the way, dito kami sa Aldi grocery store. So, kailangan namin ng butter. Kasi wala na kaming butter. So, kailangan namin ng cream cheese. Ayan. Yung cream cheese, $1.39. Kailangan namin ng cream cheese para doon sa aming sushi bukas. So, kailangan ng butter. Kailangan namin ng butter para doon sa ating baking. So, 98 cents. 98 cents yung butter. Sabi na yung mga anak ko nawala na naman. Ay. Oh. So, $7.99 pa rin yung salmon. Uy. So, we got the salmon. I think, ito is $20.85. We're gonna buy 2. We are going buy 2. Kasi at least nag-sale siya. Kasi yung mahal nito, maabot ito ng $10 per pound. So, yan. So, bali itong isa 2013 kasi so 2085. Ayan, bili tayo ng ground beef is 10.09 ang isa. Ayan, bili natin yan. Ay ground beef. So, bali, ang per pound ng ground beef ay $3.99 per pound. So, mas mura pa rin siya. So, we gonna buy pizza. 2 pizza. So, $6.09 yung isa. So, yes. Iba-ibang variety dito, iba-iba. Puro lang siyang pepperoni. Ito kasi supreme. So yan, maraming siyang laman. Yung laman niya ay mayroon siyang sausage, pepperoni, tsaka yung pepper, cheese, everything. Dami dito. Bili tayo nitong isa. Yung maso, ganyan. No, ihalo natin doon sa aking iluluto rin for the Easter. Is $3.49 maso. Yes, look at this. $1.95 na lang yung cookie dough ng ice cream. Girls, which one? Girls, which one you want the ice cream?
No, like for your ice cream cake. Oh.
Yeah, we got the cookie dough is $1.95. Nag-sale siya mga dear. So per sale na siya dito dahil mura lang talaga dito. Tapos nag-sale pa siya. Anyway, yes. So magbabayad na kami.